Hey there, and welcome to the HubSpot and LiveWebinar integration tutorial. This integration creates a seamless path from your event right to HubSpot's CRM. All you have to do is set up a connection between the two platforms, create a form, assign it to your event, and then watch your contact list grow. Let's get started. First, to integrate HubSpot with LiveWebinar, log into your account and go to Integrations, and then select Marketing Automation. Once there, select the HubSpot logo. This action will redirect you to the HubSpot login page. Once you've logged into your HubSpot account, select the account you want to integrate with. This can be both a regular or a test account. Then, click Choose Account. This step will redirect you back to your LiveWebinar account. The authorization code field will be filled out automatically, and to confirm the integration, click Save. The next step will be to add a form. When attendees fill out a form integrated with HubSpot, their contact details will be sent directly to HubSpot's CRM, saving you time and effort. Once the platforms are connected, you can add your live webinar registration form to HubSpot's CRM. To do so, go to Contacts and select List. Let's create a new list. Give it a name and then select whether it will be contact-based or company-based, depending on the type of leads you want to collect. Then select Active List and click Next. Add at least one filter to the list and then click Save List. In this example, we've selected Contact Properties, then Email, and finally, Is Known. Once that's done, let's head back to LiveWebinar, where we'll create a room with a new registration form. This form will have multiple fields where we'll be collecting information such as first and last name, email, and company name. When creating your form, be sure that the placeholder and field type correspond with one another. If you want to require your attendees to fill out a specific field, toggle the Required option on. Once you are satisfied with your form, scroll down and toggle Marketing Automation on and click Add Next Integration. From the drop-down list that appears, select HubSpot as your provider and then select the list you created earlier. Toggle the Fields Mapping feature on and then map the fields together, ensuring that they correspond with each other. When you're done, click the Schedule button. You now will be able to test the integration from the user side. All you need to do is copy and paste the attendee link to the event into an incognito window in your browser. You can fill it out with example information, and once done, the information from the form should appear in HubSpot's CRM list. And that would be all. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our social media channels to stay up to date on all things live webinar. Happy live webinaring!